Welcome to another tutorial. We created this in our first tutorial, and let's see more. We want to explain what is a comment. A comment in Python can be done with just your hash sign, and we want to know what is a Python variable. So we can specify a Python variable with ease with our Python. Now this comment does not show in your terminal. Even if you save and run here, a comment does not display in terminals, so you can easily see it does not show. It's for user indication to tell us what we're about to learn. For Python, that's how you do a single comment. We also have a multiple comment in Python. We also have a lot of way we can do multiple comment and the rest. So let's say we are creating a variable, and that variable we want to call it a name, and we can give it any name we want, and we want to have a age for this stuff. So you can see I have this and I have this. We are going to talk on our data types and the other on our post. So but now this is what we are looking at. To create a name, we can create a this there too. So if you want to print this, it's easy. You can just say print, and you have your name, and you say print, and you have your age. So Python terminal print line after line. So if we run this now, we can have this. Hello Python. We have not saved, so let's save that. So I'm saving that now. So it's not showing me white here, so it needs to save. So I can just run again and press enter. So I see hello Python bootcamp. And I also saw a name and the age. So I can clear my cache by pressing CLS. I've cleared it. Now I want to work on concatenation of my various variable. So I will say Python concatenation. All right. So concatenation helps us to combine Python together and allows us to use Python together with ease with both various variables. So let's say for instance I want to make a statement what we can easily combine together. I can say result. All right, and I will have this there. Now let's start it slowly so we can get this. I can concatenate both name. I can say my name is let's start from here. My name of this, my name is, so I'll add my plus sign here, and I'll specify name. All right, so I can easily print this result. So when I don't want the rest to show, I can highlight them. In your Windows, if you highlight, even in your Mac, you use command / for Mac, but in Windows you use your control. So just put control and / this. Okay, I need this name, so I will just undo that. I need the name. So I think that's what I need for now. So I will just come here and print my result now. Press my up key to give me my various command. Can you see that? Then I enter and it shows me, sorry I've not saved this one, so I'll run that again, and it shows me hello bootstrap, my name is Alex. So this is how you concatenate a Python. This is a string in Python and this is a variable, so I combine them together. But we need to understand that it's also, the name is also a string, so we don't have a error. Now in PHP we're able to concatenate numbers and variables without having an error, but in Python you can't, because there are different data types. So we are going to be looking at data types in our next tutorial, but let me give you that now, how you do to combine both. So I can say again result, and I also want to do that for a name. So if I'm going to do that, I will, okay, right, they are going too far. I will show you what to do while they need that now, but let's pause there. And you see, and my name is, and because this is a number and we'll call it an integer in Python, we need to convert it. All right, we need to convert it to a string data type. So we'll discuss that more in our next tutorial. So we've done that. So we convert it by using the string class. This is a string class that allows to convert a number to a string, so we can easily add them together because they are now the same data types. So I will just run this again, and you see it's saying my name is this, and I'm this, ignoring this one. So this is not showing because I gave it the same name and it's not working out for us. But if I gave it with these two, and I will come down and put this, it will show for us that 2 here. Now what that tells you, when you create a variable again and with the same name, it outrun the first one, and it's only take the last line as your recent variable because it thinks you are updating this second variable with this. So we don't want that for now, so we can run this. All right, so you see it's showing 2 of them now. But if we don't want to use this, and we want to run this, we can use the plus indicator and delete this, comment on this. So our plus indicator will allow us to run them together. So you see now we are be able to concatenate this string together by using this plus indicator to contain these two. So it's now showing my name is Alex and I'm age 30. So if we have these two results, we can also do the same thing right here, and we can come here and say result 1 and with your concatenation, and result 2 is to give us the same thing. That's what it means. So I will clear this and I'll run again my Python and see it gives me the same thing. So that was just the shortcut of using plus here and to give me my variable that instead of I using this one also. So this is where we will stop for our Python variables now. But before we go, I wanted to show you how you know your data types, which we'll do in the next tutorial, and how you can do your string and the rest. So thank you and see you in the next tutorial.